Alright, we are done eating here at Boynita Restaurant. Grabe, napaka-solid. Start this thing up, you know. Solid sound. Eh, may dadaanan lang tayo isang something. Actually, may magandang place daw tayong dadaanan. So we'll check it out. Maraming salamat, Boynita Restaurant. Napaka-solid na pagkain. Solid place. Yan, very hospitable ang mga staff nila dito. Ligabok. Alright, time check. It's already 10:35. Medyo mainit na rin dahil patanghali na talaga. Okay, so far very consistent pa rin ang ating facing. Very good. Sabing ganda yun, no? Nakalinya. Ganda ng linya natin. I really appreciate it. Ito pala yung entrance niya. Alright, first time ko dadaan dito. Let's find out kung ano meron sa lugar na to. Okay, so konting off-road adventure. Palag-palag si Victorino dyan. Naka dual sport naman tayo. Tayuan na lang natin para hindi masyadong matagtag. Let's go. Oh my goodness, what are we doing here? May konting adventure tayong gagawin ngayong araw. Grabe, ang popogi ng mga kasama natin dito. Damn, solid FKM. Nice one, buddy. May mga naasakyan pa. May alalay lang tayo dito, pababa. Good thing naka dual sport tire etong si Victorino. Kaya sabi, ang sarap pa na dumaan sa rough road pag naka dual sport tire. Kaya first time ko ata na experience to. Grabe. This is such a nice place. And this is meant for Victorino. Oh my goodness. What are we doing here? Oh man. Brake check. Uy, ang lamig dito in fairness. Presko. May wala nang babaan ng paa to. Mahirap tumukod dito sa ganitong klaseng kalsada. So dapat sigurado para sure. Oops, punta ako sa kabila. Alright, lipat ulit. Grabe naman to. I don't know what to say, but this place is just so amazing. Okay, pabueluhin natin sila dahil bubuelo din tayo paakyat. Let's go. Basic. Okay. Are you sure about that? Okay. Mahirap pagmaniobra dito. Ayan, dito kami tamang tulungan lang sa pag-ikot ng mga motor. Kaya tayo, yeah, basic. There you go. Hop. Laki ng tulong ko.
Over my own foot.
Alright.
Looks good. Yan. Yeah, kaya na to guys. Thank you.
Let's go. Ito yung matarik na inakyat natin. Ngayon, pababa naman. Oh my goodness. What are we doing with ourselves? Napahon. Yun. Grabe. Such a solid ride. Grabe. Tapos kailangan natin dumistansya sa isa't isa. Dahil delikad sa mga talsik ng bato. Oh my goodness. Oh, you gotta be kidding. This is not just a breakfast ride. This is an adventure ride. Grown man's adventure ride after breakfast. How's that sounds like? One bike at a time. Hindi tayo pwede mabitin dito. Sana wag tayong sumemplang. It's our turn. Let's do this. Oh my goodness. Let's go! Woo! Grabe taas doon. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Woo! Nakakatakot pala pag andun na no? Pag pinapanood mo parang madali. Pero pag ikaw na pero buti na naka-offroad tires tayo. We are in the middle of nowhere. Who would have thought na mag-offroading kami ngayong umaga na to. And meron ditong paahon. Hopefully maka-akit yung mga kasamahan natin. Dahil hindi rin biro yung paahon dito. So ganun siya katarik. Ewan ko. Not quite sure if the video would justify how high is this one. Grabe, napaka-solid yung experience na to. I thought it's just going to be a regular breakfast ride. But we just found out that we're going to have an adventure ride this morning. Kayata na naman to. Sapatong patarik, ang haba. Woo! Okay, technique natin ginagamit ngayon is throttle control. Na mahirap kasi kapag pabawi-bawi tayo ng throttle. So throttle control lang, dire-diretso. Yes sir, I guess this is pwede natin tayuan to. Nice one. Alright, I guess this is the end of off-roading. Let's go. Ah, yeah boy. This is pretty solid experience, man. Well, that's good you asked for today. Napaka-solid ng place na to. I guess this is good for team building and camping, or maybe a family something, whatever you call it. Going back on the road. Yeah, thank you. Epic Mountain Estate. Alright, we're safe. We're complete. Let's go back to our line. Grabe, ang presko na naman ng klima dito. Time check, it's already 11:32 to be exact. Yan, and ito, buti malamig pa rin dito dahil medyo pinawisan kami doon sa off-roading adventure namin kanina. Good thing, okay naman lahat ng mga kasama natin. Medyo nag-struggle lang yung iba, but we're all safe. Nope, don't take it. Gotta wait for it. Alright, so dito ulit tayo sa Kapatagan. Not quite sure if magkakaroon pa tayo ng another stopover, but just in case na magdire-diretso tong biyahe natin, yun, gusto ko lang magpasalamat muna sa mga kagulong natin na nanood ng vlog na to. Yan, enjoy watching. And yun, big shout out to Pinstripe Motor World. Big shout out to Sir Edsel Mototown, syempre, and to Ride Academy for making this breakfast ride. Even a breakfast ride or something? Breakfast ride slash adventure ride, I guess. Thanks for making this happen. And big shout out to Boinita Restaurant. Yan, napaka-solid. And syempre, big thanks din to FKM Antipolo branch, and courtesy of Sir Romel Tanghal for lending us this FKM Victorino 250i. Yan. Thank you so much. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga FKM units, bisita lang kayo sa FKM Antipolo. They are located at RMC Building, E. Rodriguez Avenue, corner Espedracio Street, Barangay Dalig, Antipolo City. Yeah. Big shoutout din sa mga nakasama ko ngayong ride na to, na mga bagong kakilala, new faces, new riders na naka-ride. Napaka-solid you guys, and I hope na maka-ride ulit namin kayo. Ride strong sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat. At yun, sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa ating channel, sa mga tagapanood natin, big shoutout sa inyong lahat. And just make sure to like and follow our Facebook page, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, BYL in the here. And you guys are watching Respeto Kagulong. Just remember to be safe always and enjoy every ride. Back for now, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, stop over muna. Let's try to take some rest before we ride again. We're here. Stop over muna. Pahinga saglit, and mamaya lalarigan na ulit.